Hello and welcome back to my class. Today we are going to paint these cute Christmas elements with watercolor, which you can use to make beautiful greeting cards for your loved ones or beautiful gift tags. So let's get started, but before we do that, there is a special information by the end of this video. So I request you to please watch the video till the end. Alright, so now let's jump right in.
Now let's talk about the Christmas elements. So the first thing that comes to my mind when I say Christmas is the Christmas tree. And here we go. It's very simple. Though there are many ways of making a Christmas tree in watercolor. So here, as you see, can you see it? Now can you see? So let me repeat the process. So I'm just making some blobs with the light green color. I'm just maintaining this triangle shape. Alright. Now while it's still wet, I will use some darker green and drop in some of that darker green. See this? To create the shadows. And as you see, there are still white spaces. I've not completely covered it like blob, though I made small blobs to make this tree, but I have not covered it entirely. And now we will let this to dry, and once it's dried, we will drop in some ornaments. Now I'll show you another way of making the Christmas tree. And for that, we will use this fine detailing brush. This is a very fine brush. And again, I will take a lighter green. And as you see, I will just put my brush on the paper and flick it. And with this, I will try to maintain the triangle shape. Right? So, see this? Just touch and flick, touch and flick. Alright. Here. And again, I will go for a darker green and while it's still wet, I will do some flicks with the darker green and make the needles. Yeah, so I hope Christmas trees don't have leaves, they have needles, right? So there, and wait for this also to dry. I will show you third way of drawing an easy Christmas tree. So here I will take a thin line like that and then do these lines upwards and then irregularly horizontal lines here and there, not very straight, not very defined, again just keeping the triangular shape intact. And I will go in with some darker green to drop in some shadows here and there. Like that. It has to be dense in the center, right? So that's another way of drawing Christmas tree. Now since these have dried quite a bit, we can go on and put some decorations like that. This looks like an apple tree, not tea, tree. Right, so there we go. Some decorations for this one as well. So these are the elements of Christmas which you can use for not just this class but for your other projects, your other paintings. If you're making more cards for your loved ones, you can use these elements. So these are not just for this class, right? Let's make a star over here as well, the tree topper. So there we go, the Christmas trees. Now let's make some decorations. So for that, very simply, I will take some color in my brush. It's a medium sized brush, not very thin, and just with the shape of the brush I will make these marks. See this? I'm just using the shape of the tip of the brush to trace these petal like marks, like so. Right, you can use different colors, but just because I'm showing it for the practice, I'm using just one color. You can use many colors. And here with the fine brush, I go with the black color, making the strings. And there you have it, the series light. You can use many colors for the bulbs, and very simply and easily you can make this. Now let's make the bubbles, the decorative bubbles. So here, make a circle. Don't cover it fully, just make a circle like this and make a tip over here with the same color. And now what you do is choose any side, left or right, and leave this highlight. So there you go, a cute ornament, bubble ornament for the Christmas. Let's change the color this time. I want to take blue, right? So again, a circle, not filling in completely, just tracing the circle like this and like this and like that. I leave that highlight, and very easy and simple. And yeah, the tip for the string. So there you are. You can make as many ornaments as you want for the Christmas like this. Let's make a small one over here, the circle, and the highlight and the tip. All right, so now if you want, you can use the fine brush to attach a string to all of these like that, like so, right? Now let's move on to the snowman. Okay, so for snowman, let's draw the basic shape. So here is my snowman belly, that's the surface, okay, and there a smaller one for the upper half of the body and the smallest one for the face. All right, so now what we are going to do, as we all know that snowmen are white, so we don't have to paint this part. So what we will do is we will rather paint around them, give them a background, nice background. All right, like so. This can be a starry night, or it can be a cool winter day. You can choose the color for the background. There you have it. See, as we do the negative painting, the basic shape of it just comes alive, and there we have like an idea of a snowman. Now what do we do inside? Inside, with a clean damp brush, just add in some water for the snow. So here what we are going to do is very tiny amount of blue, very tiny. Okay, all right, just this much, and just spread it like this in a circular way to depict a round surface. All right, so very tiny amount of blue like this, and you know watercolor will dry lighter, so don't worry about if it looks too. Just drop in some more over here at the joint and some over here, very little. If you think you have put in extra color, just lift it with a damp clean brush like that and let it dry. And later we will add the features and details, right? And down here just pull the color for the snowy surface. Just pull the background color a little bit, and there you have it, the snow. Drop in some color, maybe like that, and yeah, there you have it, the snow and the backdrop. All right, so let this dry and let's draw a reindeer. For the reindeer, because it's cute card, so we are not going for realistic image. That's the mouth, and it's Rudolph, so that's the big nose. And let's do some happy sleepy eyes. That's the ear, that's another one, and the hair. And let's do the antlers, and here all right. And now for the body, you can do a body like this, a standing position, like this. You can go like this also, but what we are going to be doing in this project is something different. So let's do sitting. All right, and kind of this, and choose one side to make the tail, this side or that side. So here I feel like making it this side, and there you go, your cute Rudolph. Now I think this has dried a bit, so I'm using this fine liner to make the eyes and the mouth. Right, and the hands. So branches for the hand, and there you go, your very own cute snowman is also ready. And for the reindeer, if you want to try and color it, We will be doing that in the final project also, but still, see, we can color it very easily like that. Just I don't want to keep it blank, so I'm coloring it. It's a simple step. So I'm here just giving it a flat wash, nothing fancy, just a flat wash like that, so that it looks a part of this page, because everything is so colorful and I don't want to keep this little guy blank. So let's color him as well. So as you see, very simply and easily we can now here just leave this nose blank, because we are going to be using red for this. And then we will do the features with a fine brush, or what we can do is we can also trace a line. You can also add the tracing line like this. I mean, it's totally up to you. If you want, you can, but since it's an illustrative style, so I don't mind a tracing line. I generally don't use tracing line in my paintings, but since it's more of an illustration, childlike, so let's do it over here. All right. Okay, I did a mistake. I colored the mouth also, which we were supposed to make red. So in the final project we won't do that. All right, like when we are making the card finally, then we won't do that. I'm just lining it roughly. All right, just roughly. You can practice more precisely, of course, if you want to. And now let's do this red nose. There. And let's try and make this mouth also red. And we did it, yes. Oh, and yeah, let's make a carroty nose for the snowman as well. There, just a flick, and there we have it. All right, so these are the basic elements of Christmas, though there are many more, but with these elements you can make some lovely gift tags, wall art, and even greeting cards like these. And if you want to create these with me, I have a detailed and step-by-step class on Skillshare. You can check the link for the class in the description below. And if you're not on Skillshare, you can still access this class and all the premium classes on Skillshare for 14 days absolutely free using the same link. So check out the class and subscribe to my channel on YouTube and follow me on Instagram. I go by the name Justwokeuptoart. Love you guys. Bye for now.